In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a size chart as a pop-up or a page link from your product pages, a handy feature that can make a huge difference in customer satisfaction and reduce return rates. We'll walk through each step carefully to ensure it's clear and easy to understand, whether you're a beginner or have some experience in managing a website. First, let's focus on creating a size chart if you don't already have one. Remember, a well-organized size chart helps your customers choose the right size without hassle. Use a spreadsheet or document to list all your products and corresponding sizes. Include measurements like chest, waist, hips, and inseam for clothing or length, width, and height for other products. Once you have all the information gathered, design it in a visually appealing manner using a tool like Canva or another design software. It's important to ensure the text is readable and fits well within your selected template. Next, we need to integrate this size chart onto your website. If you're using an e-commerce platform like Shopify, WooCommerce, or a similar service, your next move will involve navigating to the customization settings of your store. Typically, this can be found within the dashboard under Themes or Appearance. Look for the option to edit HTML/CS or add a new section to the product page. Here is where you can decide whether to add the size chart as a link or a pop-up. For linking as a pop-up, what you'll need to do is upload your size chart to an image or a PDF. Once uploaded, grab the URL of that image or PDF. Now return to your product page setup. Often within the product description or custom HTML boxes available, you'll want to insert a snippet of code for a lightbox effect if your platform supports it. This code makes sure that when your customers click a button or link that says something like View Size Chart, it will open the image or PDF in a pop-up without navigating away from the product page. Alternatively, if you want to link the size chart as a separate web page, it's slightly simpler. Create a new page on your website dedicated to the size chart. Again, use the uploaded image or an embedded PDF viewer. Then place a link to this new page on your product page's description or near the size selection dropdown, labeling it with a clear call to action like check our size guide. Lastly, it's crucial to test everything. Preview your product pages and ensure that clicking the link or button successfully opens the size chart, either in a pop-up or a new page. Make sure it's fully readable and the